So we've just reached Bowscale Tarn. Dog's loving it. Still got quite a way up until we get to the top of Bowscale Fell. There's a lot of waves on the Tarn today. As you can probably hear, it's quite breezy. Miles, he reckons we've got to go straight up there to get to the top of Bowscale Fell. I don't really fancy that. Looks a bit steep for my liking. This is ridiculous. It's like a 45-degree angle. Probably sharper than that. Clouds are looking good though. Team breather. This is steeper than Hallen Fell. Blowing out my house. View's not too bad though, is it? See how steep it is there. See for miles now though. It was really cold and windy down the bottom, but there's not a breath of wind up here. Just look at those sun rays there. Quality. With brackets back now, so we've done the tough stuff. There's the view down to Bowscale Tarn. And we're heading straight up there to the summit of Bowscale Fell. I'm almost at the summit now. The cairn just in front. There's the lads about 100 metres in front. Look at those rays of sunshine down into the valley. It's colder and windier than I anticipated though. I reckon it's going to be about -2 tonight with the wind chill, so we'll see how it goes. So the lads are starting to pitch the tents. Well impressed with that. It's going to be a really windy night, so I'm hoping that the audio isn't too bad. Dave's just dragging his tent. That's one of the beauties of having a freestanding tent. If you're not happy with the pitch, you just pick it up and take it where you want to go. I suppose I better get my tent pitched as well before we run out of spaces on the fell. Everybody got the tent pitched. Got 3 Hilleberg solos, Terra Nova, Wild Country Helm, and a Van Gogh Banshee. As you can probably tell, it's a little bit breezy, so we'll see how all of these tents compare tonight. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe to my channel, make sure you hit the little bell notification symbol, and that way you won't miss out on any future videos. I'm starting on back. Tonight supper. I think I'm going to need my gloves later. new sleeping pad to try. It is the Thermarest Neo Air X-Lite. Probably nothing that you've never seen before. These are highly rated. I'm not a big fan of blowing these up though, so I'm trying to use my X-Bed dry bag air sac, and all I've done is I've taped a little bit of tubing on the end which fits onto the end of here, so hopefully I can inflate my pad using this. I'll give it a go anyway. Perfect, but it does the job. So I've had a good crack with the lads, had a few beers, but it's been really chilly. The wind has been relentless, it hasn't stopped all night. Not had much to eat though, so it's time to get a bit of supper. I'm going to have to excuse the wind noise. I'm with the Primus Etta Light today. I really like this stove. I apologise in advance for the video quality, it is dark, so this is the best I can do. This is a little bit like the jet boil, where the stove clips into the pot, and then it's got insulation around the outside to improve boiling times. The top clip just folds over and clips on here to give you a handle so you can pick up the pot. Spilled a bit. It does have a piezo igniter, so when you switch it on, you don't need a lighter. However, I do always bring one as a backup. So tonight I'm having chicken fajita with rice, made by Summer to Eat. I've had these before and they're really tasty to eat. Probably one of the best dehydrated meals that I've come across. This wind really doesn't make it for a very good video. We're boiling. I'm not sure what these wind speeds are, but I think you can tell from the footage that it's pretty windy outside. First time in a long time I've remembered to take this out. Stove just twists off. I'll just seal that up and then I'll look for my spoon to give it a stir. Just a question of waiting now 10 minutes for the food to fully rehydrate. When it's ready to eat. Must be about 10 minutes up now. Forgot my head torch, so I've just got this little torch instead. Looks pretty good to me. What do you think? I guess proof is in the pudding. Or main in this case. Oh yeah. spot on. Well, that hit the spot. A few beers, something nice to eat. Now, yeah, that wind, bloody hell. I'm now going to get my head down. So I'll say goodnight. And I'll see you in the morning. Morning folks. It's quite a noisy night last night. It's still noisy this morning. Don't think I'd have got through it without these earplugs. Just take a quick peek out the window. Yep, seen enough of that. It's pretty crappy outside, so I'm stay in here for a little bit, make myself a cup of coffee, and then think about packing my gear away. It's raining a little bit. It's not a review, but first night on the Neo Air X-Lite, really comfortable. Toasty warm, so I can see this being my go-to sleeping bag now. I'll finish up in this and then I'm going to pack all my gear away. Really strong winds this morning. We lost one of the campers last night, Dave, who was in the Vango Banshee. His pole snapped and he had to bail and go back down to the car. I've got a couple of loose guy lines, but that's about it. So I've got everything packed up in the bag. I only need to sort the tent out now. We're all just about packed away. All my stuff's in my bag now, so soon we're going to be heading back down. So we're going to go back down the same route as we came up, down that little steep path to the tarn, and then back to Bowscale village or hamlet. The lads are just putting the last few bits away. I don't fancy going down here. It's a bit slippy and wet today, but the view's totally different this morning to what it was yesterday. Put the camera away before I die. So the lower down we get, the better the weather seems to be getting. However, there is a bit of cloud still hovering above Bowscale Tarn. So we're back down at the tarn. It's quite steep coming down there. The lads are waiting for me. What a difference 10 minutes makes. We've gone from all the clag and wind up there to now beautiful blue skies. Can't believe the difference in the weather now we've dropped off the fell. So that's it for this one. We're back at the car now. It's been a really good camp, apart from the weather, so you'll have to forgive the quality of the video, but the weather hasn't really permitted. I'll leave links in the description to the channels of some of these guys. So there's Dave Miles from Anywhere, Steve, who is Outdoors Lifestyle, Andrew Beavers, and then there's Dan and Dave that I've met for the first time on this camp. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.